If right now you're not financially where you would love to be in your business, despite knowing that it's possible, despite seeing others making the kind of revenue that you secretly dream of, there's a great chance that something deeper is going on. And EFT, also known as tapping, is by far one of the best tools to deal with it and to do it fast. The truth is, money comes easily to those who allow it. And your current business revenue, the amount of money that you are able to create in and through your business, is simply just a reflection of how open you are to receiving it. I would love to invite you to look at this entire money-making thing from this perspective. Making money is not an issue. The only issue that we might be dealing with here is your subconscious resistance to making more money. Because to want more money, more clients, to double your revenue, to triple, quadruple, 10x your business revenue is one thing. And seeing this thing being possible for others is something completely different than allowing to receive it yourself. My name is Kasia, and I am absolutely obsessed with helping you show up, attract clients, sell, make a lot more money, and grow your business in a way that feels easy. So if that's what you want, I'm super happy to have you here. I see this time and time again when my beautiful clients, when they come to me, they say, Kasia, I don't know what's going on. On paper, everything looks great, and I have the right funnels, and I have the right systems, and everything should be flowing. And yet, I'm not able to generate the kind of income that I can see this other person generating with ease, and I don't know what the heck is going on. And then we discuss her beliefs about many things, including money, and many times what we find out is that she's just not allowing herself to grow financially. She's not allowing that money to come in. And so EFT happens to be one of my absolute favorite tools to help you release those blocks that you might be experiencing so that you can move and raise your prices, so that you can show up on sales calls with complete different energy, so that you can start talking about what you do for your clients and selling every single day and impacting more people through what you do. If you're new to this topic of tapping and EFT, it's a very powerful, scientifically proven energetic technique that allows us to move stuck energy and release blocks, whether they're mental blocks, energetic blocks, or even physical blocks, so that we can move on with a task, release fear, release resistance, or anything that is holding us back. And if you want to know how tapping could help you in your business at the current stage, right now, not just with making money, but with a lot of other things, I have created a free, very comprehensive, best EFT guide for female entrepreneurs that you can grab in the description box below. It includes not just the easiest tapping recipe, but also use examples as well as a plug and play demo audio. Now, in full transparency, when I first heard about tapping and saw a demonstration of tapping, I thought it was strange, to say the least, and I didn't really believe that, and I thought that was funny. But right now, after 4 years of using it myself to clear some of the most incredible blocks, but also having taught it to over 300 women with incredible results and success, I honestly cannot recommend it enough. And right now, let's just see how you could use tapping to expand your money consciousness, to expand your ability to receive on a particular example. Take a deep breath and think about the next income level in your business that you want to achieve. Make it a little stretch. So maybe you would like to double, triple your revenue in the next 3 to 6 months. Think about that money, whatever you're making, double it or triple it. Imagine yourself being able to make that money and charge that money. Ask for that money. Price your services and your products accordingly. And when you think about it, notice what you feel in your body. Maybe there is fear. Maybe there is resistance. Maybe some things are coming up, such as, who am I to charge that much? Or nobody would ever pay me that much money. Maybe you think it's greedy. Maybe you think it would require a lot more work. Or maybe you believe your current services are just not worth that much. Whatever is coming up, feel it. And right now, tap as I tap and repeat after me as we go through a couple of EFT rounds together. Even though I have this resistance to make more money, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And even though this resistance to making more money is clear to me, I deeply and completely accept how I feel in this moment. Even though charging a lot more money for my services feels uncomfortable, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Now, take a deep breath and let's go through the points. All that resistance, I can feel it so clearly. I want to make more money. I can see that it's possible for others to make more money. Yet, the thought of me raising my prices feels uncomfortable. If I were to double my prices in this very moment, that wouldn't feel safe. And I want to grow my business. I'm afraid that growing my business is going to be difficult if I don't change this approach. Take another deep breath, and we're going to move into the possibility. But what if I could release that? How amazing would it feel to finally charge what I know deep down is possible? How amazing would that be to call in my next level clients? I can see that this is a possibility. Even though right now I don't have all the answers, I'm open to the idea of making more money soon. And I choose to make this easy. I choose to make money making fun. I am ready to feel empowered when I sell. And one of the ways to feel more empowered is to call in next level clients and raise my prices. Can you already feel something shifting? In my guide, I teach you specifically how you go to more empowered, better beliefs around selling, around money, around clients, and anything that you want to shift right now. The crazy thing about this tool is that it is so simple that once you learn it, you can then teach it to the people that you love. So your teenage kids, your spouse, your parents, and the ripple effect that it can have on different aspects of their life, from finances, but also through social life and dealing with pain or fear or jealousy or food cravings, like anything, you name it, is just incredible. And so I hope that right now I have made you curious to explore more around tapping and how this incredible technique can help you grow your business and take it to this next level. And we're talking about next level of income, we're talking about next level of clients, but also the next level of your life. Because as I say it time and time again, you're in business not just for money, neither am I. We're here to do great things. Unfortunately, so many times we're just stopping ourselves from it. We are using our subconscious fears and our deeply stored beliefs as an excuse not to do the things that we consciously know we should be doing if we want to grow. In times like that, when you have this realization, there is nothing that I know that works better than tapping, and it works instantly. So grab the guide, let me know that you have it in the comment section below so that I can celebrate you. And also let me know if you want me to create more of this type of videos and generally dive into the topic of energetic tools for business growth, because this is my jam, and nothing, really nothing makes me as happy as seeing another woman stepping into her power to create more good in the world through her gifts, as she also makes a shit ton of money and changes her lives in the ways that are absolutely beyond any comprehension.